Hi everyone. In today's tutorial we're going to be having a look at Instagram and particularly looking at how to find things that you've liked or commented on in the past so you can find them again, maybe if you want to show them or share them with somebody else. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Instagram and you're going to go to your own page. Once you're on here, in the top right corner you'll see the 3 straight lines. You want to press those and you've got all these different options to do with your account. The one that we're going to look at today is your activity, so the third one down. Once you press your activity, it brings you this little hub, if you like, of places where it's got how much time you've spent on Instagram, photos and videos that you've posted, including reels, or interactions as well. So interactions is the part that we're going to have a look at today. This includes likes, comments, and other interactions. So once we go on here, you can see the different sections. We're going to look at likes. So if I've liked something, this is all the stuff that I've liked on Instagram. And as you can see, there's not loads there because it's a relatively new account, but on yours, you might see everything for the past few years or however long you've been on Instagram. And this way you're able to go find a post, maybe if I went to this one, and I can unlike it now if I decide, I don't want that to be there. Go back again. And this time when I go back onto my likes, you'll see that it has disappeared from the set. I hope that's useful, and leave a comment below if you've any other tips or tricks you'd like me to look at on Instagram.